What is important price level trading strategy? Oh, how I can explain this. For example, we have a trading chart. On this trading chart, you see candlesticks. I know a lot of traders like candlesticks and you know to trade using candlestick patterns, but we will not do that. Let me look this chart very simple. So this we have empty chart right now. If you see on the left side, we have some price levels for any kind of assets. Down we have time. Now we try to draw any chart that we can. For example, let me start for some from 10 to 20. For some bullish chart we have up, down, then up, some kind of a rising trend. Right now we have a chart, and what we can do in the next step. First, we can draw a support, some kind of trend line. Let me draw yellow trend line, and we have a bullish trend and yellow trend line below our major line. Now in the next step we will create some channel. I like to use pitchfork as an excellent indicator, an excellent tool to draw channels, but you can use any indicator that you like that will draw channel for your current chart. My suggestion is to use a pitchfork. Nevertheless, now what we can do, we can draw any kind of levels that we want. For example, I will draw yearly high, but you can add any kind. You can put, and you should put, yearly low, yearly high, monthly low, monthly high, weekly low, weekly high. You can put a yearly low and high for last 5 or 10 years. Every single price level is important because we're looking for important price levels, and when we see that several important price levels are in an area on few pips, we know that that small area is very strong resistance or very strong support, and we can use that in our trading. For example, let me go further. I can draw, for example, new red line. This red line, for example, let be last month high. So I have yearly high, last month high, I have trend line, I have pitchfork or any kind of channel indicator. And right now we can see something very interesting. Do you see intersections? So let me zoom a little bit this picture. Here on this chart we have intersection, and our channel breaks important resistance or important support. And in this case we have two important circles. This black circle between a channel and yearly high and last month high and channel are very important, because now we can see maybe a bearish trend between yearly high and last month high, or we can break yearly high level and try to achieve the new price level. So what is the important here? We can draw on chart everything, make manual analysis, not automated analysis. Think, put a little bit economic and other fundamental analysis information, and using all of that we can decide and make excellent trades. For example, let me see how that looks on the real chart. This is the real chart. When you see this, it's dangerous for you. I know sometimes it can be very terrifying, and I don't want that. I want you just to remember that on the chart you can put a lot of lows, a lot of highs, very important levels, Fibonacci levels, pivot levels, everything, and put it all. Put it all, because you will see the patterns and you will find important circles. What is the most important thing right now is to put relative strength index or any kind of oscillator, but I prefer relative strength index. You can see it below in a red circle. So I can draw, you can see the green trend line on relative strength index. And right now we can see that we have a strong bullish trend. This is the gold chart. This is the current gold chart. And what is the important thing here is that now I can look for a buy trade. So I know the fundamental analysis and latest news and bullish trend on all commodities is an important factor for me, that I expect more bullish trend and I'm preparing for bullish trend and I want to enter into buy trade, and now I just need to find the beautiful spot to enter and to close my trade. And what I do right now, I will just zoom a little bit to see picture well. You can see the red arrow. So we have some channel, some bearish, little bearish channel. It's not a main bullish channel. It's a sideways bearish channel on my chart, and I wanted to see when this channel will be broken. In one moment after this red arrow, you can see the channel is broken. So now I can expect bullish trend. What I do, I'll wait a little bit. I'll wait that price goes to 61.8% level on the 1934.41 level, and I enter into trade. And what was my goal? What was my target? The next target is a circle. It's a circle that is created in the intersection between record high on a 2033.12 and my bullish channel from pitchfork indicator. And as you can see, as same as few minutes ago, we have two red circles and I want to make a bullish trade. So this is the important spot when I see that a sideways channel is broken, and in the next step you see this the green arrow. I'm creating a buy trade. So this was my setup. Sometimes I will miss, sometimes I will not miss, but it's not important. Even I lose money, I feel confident. Why? Because I see the bullish trend. I see important levels. I have a picture. I have a fundamental analysis. I have everything. Sometimes, like I said, I will lose, but more I will have winning trades than I will have losing trades, because I'm confident, because all technical analysis and all important price levels are on my side. And I will just give you the practical things. Right now, after a couple seconds, I will put my previous video. It's a video 6 days before right now. And please, in these 18 seconds, please just listen what I did say last week. So you can see last 8 hours that we have a little bit recover and short time bullish trend for Kiwi dollar, and we see that there is a high probability that we will try to touch this resistance here. Right now we are 1 week later, so this is the current time. Today is April 4, 2022, and we're watching Kiwi dollar chart. As you can see, we were on 29 March and I made purchase, and my goal was 697 area, and as you can see we touched that level. So the basic approach is that if we define support, resistance, important levels, we can see that price can go up or down, and every single movement we can use and make an entry into the trade. So this strategy can be beneficial, helpful, and you can see profitable trades. Of course, I need to put one disclaimer. You will not be right all the time. Sometimes you will lose your trades. Sometimes you will lose maybe 40%, 35%, 55%. So there's no rule that you will be profitable all the time. But what is important thing, if you use important price levels, if you put everything on the chart, if you monitor relative strength index, if you put pitchfork on the chart, if you analyze fundamental analysis and important news and put it all together, I'm sure that you will be profitable a lot, and you will be satisfied with your trading, and that you will find very good setups. And I hope that you can monitor us and watch our trades. We will share everything with you, and every week we'll have a weekly setup. Sometimes we'll have a special announcements and examples of trades, and very often we will give a lot of interesting how-to videos, and try to learn to use various platforms to create expert advisors, to analyze market, to use machine learning, to learn everything about Forex trading, stocks trading, commodity trading, etc. So I hope that you will now visit some other our videos, subscribe to our channel, and enjoy and learn a lot of new stuff. I wish you a great day, and bye-bye.